Mediocrity is the quality of being average, having no outstanding, great, or extraordinary features. This is the miniature level, no better than minimum standards. A mediocre mindset is worse than a mediocre result, because whereas mediocre results can be circumstantial, the mediocre mindset is intentional. That is, mentally settling for less, even before the outcomes are less. What are the features of mediocrity or a mediocre life? One is a life of comfort and excuses. A life of comfort and excuses. There is a time off and for rest. The crave for comfort is misplaced when the time of comfort is out of place. Every mediocre wants to enjoy perpetual life of comfort, but wants to evade the sacrifices that provides for it. Comfort, ease, rest, the harvest is an outcome which is the result of certain deliberate and disciplined efforts. Even the Bible clearly notes, "He that has entered into his rest has ceased from his labors. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest," said the scriptures. But you see, only those who have labored are qualified for an invitation for rest. The invitation for rest is only for a select few who have labored. You have to pay the price. There is always some prices to be paid that naturally precedes the prizes to be acclaimed. But the mediocre wants a life of comfort, and his defense or justification are his excuses. So the mediocre excuses himself to remain in comforts, and then comforts himself in being excused. Little wonder, mediocres are the only people having perfect reasons for not doing perfect things. Number two feature of a life of mediocrity is a life of procrastination. You hear people say, "I'll still do it, I'll do it later, give me time." Later, says the mediocre. Later. Procrastination is an attribute of perceived weakness or insufficiency of the ability to undertake the tasks immediately. This weakness becomes a reality with repeated procrastinations. As a result, procrastination breaks the human willpower. When we give in to procrastinations repeatedly, we impale our natural strength and resilience. The procrastinator becomes a weaker decider and a weaker implementer. This is why the mediocre is full of wishes but empty of works. He is strong to wish and he is weak to work. If tomorrow's results are a product of today's efforts, they will be ruined. If today's efforts are postponed to a tomorrow that never comes, avoid a lifestyle of procrastination. Avoid a lifestyle of seeking undue, unnecessary comfort and excuses. Avoid mediocrity.